Made some progress, finally, some forward progress on the bed of the truck. Only in this piece. I got all the holes drilled. I put some bolts in. It's by no means done. I drilled small holes along those ones, and I need to pull it out and actually widen them. I did the same thing down here. I need to pull it out, get all the holes drilled, scratch it up with Scotch-Brite, give it that brush look, and then I'm gonna shark hide it. But I also need to do the middle and the back. So, you know, one day at a time, but you know, we're getting there. So, you know, we'll just continue, and hopefully my goal is by Labor Day it's done. So, I mean Memorial Day, it's done. So we'll see. A quick update on the truck. Didn't do anything with that panel today. Did do things with this one. I have most of the holes. I need to drill 8 more holes, just along there and along there, and then it's done. I drilled the gas cap filler, which was brought to you by Math, because I measured and did things and was pretty much spot on to the filler neck, and then made the marks for the holes to get this guy in there perfectly lined up. So anyways, a little bit of progress every day, yeah, so one day at a time. All right, finally getting back to finishing the bed. I'm gonna start with this rear panel. Pretty much just gonna scratch it up with Scotch-Brite, give it a brush look. I'm gonna make it more even than, you know, strokes one way, it'll be all brushed and look cool. And then I'm gonna shark hide it with that stuff. YouTube said it was awesome. So anyways, it's the plan for the very first piece, and then I'll do the very front, and then I'll do the middle, and then I'll start putting all the bolts in, and someday it'll be done. No, I'm just kidding. Hopefully in the next 2 days or week-ish, I'm done with the bed. Pretty excited about it. So we'll see how it goes. So the bed is done, and I think it looks awesome. So that was exactly what I was looking for, and it's good. So can't wait to get the truck out and see how it does. The center console is in upholstery, and I should get that back in probably next weekend. Put that guy in, make a video for that. But special thanks to my boy Pashi for helping me out with the bed. It was a lot of painstaking work, more so than I thought it would be, but it's done. So everything is exactly the way I wanted it to go. I think it looks great. I'm excited. Can't wait to get the truck out and see how it looks in the sun.